Go figure, guys. Just as I came to frickin' fish for herring, it starts raining and sleeting. My boy over there just got one though. It's February 21st, I believe, 2023. The herring's been doing good, so we came to give it a try. We came early. As you can see, the pier is empty. So before we get a million people on there, we're gonna tough it out a little bit. Not bad. Temperature's nice, 45 degrees. Barely any wind, but it's the rain. I'll keep doing shorts today once they start biting. Matthew's gonna record a video too. We still gotta upload the January video. We haven't done that yet.